Hello and welcome to one of the many how-to videos of Gyanstairs platform. Gyanstairs is a knowledge network, which strives to make the e-learning platform available to community in an easy way such that anyone can share the knowledge just by uploading some content. Now, let's see how this platform works. When you are ready to share, you are presented with this screen. Header is the name of the video and scope of this video is public. Yes, you can make private video as well just for your own reference. Before we start creating video, each video needs to be part of a hierarchy. We will talk about that in another video. Broadly, Gyanstairs provides freedom to the community to even create those hierarchical streams. This description, once video is created, is shown as the tooltip for this video when this video is searched by user and hovers over it. So it is very important to give relevant information about your content. This is the section where your image will be displayed when uploaded using Choose File button. Once you are happy with the image you uploaded, on the left-hand side of the screen, you enter your thoughts about the screen. You share your knowledge with a combination of image and text explains the image. Each image can have at the max 50 words as you do not want the learner to continue looking at the same screen for a long time. Currently, the whole video can have maximum of 1000 words. However, this limit may change from time to time to allow better topic coverage. Whatever text is written for the image, it not only gets converted to audio when this row is saved, but also gets broken down into smaller chunks and appear as subtitles while the video is being played. So, make sure to provide useful information very carefully. If you want to change the image, simply click on the Choose File button again and upload different image, or you can delete this row altogether. If happy, then you can either save and add new button for next section. Once your row is saved, the text is converted to audio and you have a play audio button to play the audio. You can also edit this row again to change image, text and save again. Once happy, you can click add new button to start working on next row. Once the row is saved, text and image upload area are disabled. If you decide to work again on the row, all you have to do is to click on Edit button. When editing, text and image upload areas are enabled again, and you are presented with the buttons to save or cancel edit. When you are working on a row, all other rows will have disabled Add New button. This is done to keep the process simple and confusion-free. When you are done with currently working row, then the Add New button on all other rows is enabled. When you are ready to work on a row, Gyanstairs gives you freedom to add new row content anywhere. So, if you had missed to tell something after a particular piece, you can add any time. Remember, all of this can be done even after video is created already. Or if you think at later some point in time that any particular screen is no longer relevant, you can go ahead and delete that much part only and generate the video again. That easy Gyanstairs makes to update the video content to keep it relevant always. Once you are done with all the changes for different screens, you can submit the complete page. That will trigger the video creation process and that is it. Depending on the number of words added to the whole content, the process may take from couple of minutes to 15 minutes. Once you submit the video page, it will go in wait for only few seconds as it sends all the audio and image files to the cloud for the processing. Within few seconds, you are presented with the video section area where your video will be displayed to you. However, as the process is still going on, so you get a message about work in progress. While the video is getting created, you can explore other videos or start thinking about your next awesome video you are going to create. Once the video creation process is completed, you will get the notification in the right-hand bottom side of the screen. Once you click on the notification icon, you can see the message or messages about the video titles and the exact URL location on Gyanstairs. These messages are clickables, and you can click on these to land on the video. You will also receive an email informing about the completion of your video and a link to the video on the Gyanstairs application. On clicking the notification, you will land on the same page where you submitted all the content for the video. But this time you will be automatically scrolled to the video, which appears right at the bottom of the screen, in case your video was private. However, when your video is public and available to everyone, then it needs to be approved by the platform. We try to do our best, but still it may take few hours to 48 hours to get it reviewed and approved. In any case, you will be notified. Once the video has been created, you will see all the edit options for all the rows on the page are disabled. We do not want you to accidentally corrupt any rows of data, so those are disabled. However, once you feel that you need to do some amendments to the video, like add more information or remove few obsolete bits, you come to the top of this page and you can see that Enable Page Edit button would be active now. Clicking on the Enable Page Edit button will basically take your video to the edit mode again, and all the rows and all the edit options will become available to you to work again on your awesome video. It is that easy to edit your video even after creation. And no prizes for guessing that all the intro and training videos of Gyanstairs are made on Gyanstairs itself. So if you made it so far, I hope you would like to try it for yourself. It allows you to create content about whatever you are passionate about. We hope you liked this tutorial video about how to create videos on the Gyanstairs platform. Gyanstairs is a vast application and cannot be covered in this single video. Please see our other videos to get better understanding about this platform. Gyanstairs is not just a tool to create videos, but a complete network of creator and learners, where you can follow your favorite creators, befriend with them, post on your own or other person's activity walls and discuss about any particular video in comments of creator. Thanks for your time. See you again.